Manipulation of sound could be useful for my application. What I learned so at this point is if you click or touch on any point on the screen, it plays a sound file like this. It doesn't matter where. If it is associated with buttons, text, or pictures, that would be more useful. But as of right now, I can only guess how. And here's the code I used. It's pretty simple because it's not really associated with anything or any complex activity. It's just a matter of on click and then plays a sound. But still, I had to import these many classes on create. So when upon starting the application app, this is gonna be all set. But the core of this action is here on click. So when I click the mouse or touch on the screen, anywhere on the screen, okay, so there's an error checking thing, but so let's just skip that, and this is what's gonna happen. Okay, it plays the audio, or that's the again predefined method, and it plays this sound pool. Sound pool is my own variable, and it's like a container, and so I have to define the container for the sound called sound pool, and it's also a class, sound pool class, so it contains the sound. And here I defined an instance or object of sound pool here, and a new sound pool class or object, and this is the parameters for the container. What it's gonna do is it's gonna play 5 times, up to 5 times in a row. And now how the music is gonna be streamed, and it's stream music. This method of streaming the music is also part of this audio manager class, which I had to import up here again. And regular streaming is usually done with stream music method, and that's a quality or priority, and a quality for now. Doesn't matter whatever it is. Android SDK doesn't really have anything about this, so it can be just 0. Alright, and also I had to define the actual sound instance of sound or sound object. This is a container, so whatever the audio object in this container is gonna have to follow this rule. And this is actual audio, and that's okay. How do you do that is I'm gonna have to, what I'm doing is, okay, using a load method. So I'm loading a file into the sound pool container, and that's gonna be the whole actual explosion sound. And but anyway, so it's so defined, so I can access the actual audio file through these 2 variables, and the bottom line is I want to play it upon clicking. So I have to create or type in the action or method of playing the sound right within these 2 brackets here, within on click. And so that's what I did. And sound pool, let's play the sound pool, and there might be some other files in the sound pool, but I'm playing explosion. That's what it's saying. and these are parameters for playing the sound, and I don't really have to get into that, but those are the parameters. So I set those parameters like how many times you want to play, infinitely repeating, or just once. And of course that's just once, and all of these things. Alright, so that's pretty simple, and then the result is boom boom.